Hello and welcome to this video on Kranium. Kranium is a no-code AI platform that simplifies AI adoption in organizations. Kranium takes away all the technical complexities out of the AI model building process. This means even non-AI experts can use Kranium to build, deploy, and utilize AI applications without any coding required. Kranium supports a wide array of AI technologies right out of the box, including machine learning, computer vision, deep learning, natural language processing, generative AI, time series forecasting, and more. There's no limit to the number of AI models you can create and deploy on Kranium. Whether you need multiple AI models for various use cases within your organization, Kranium allows you to build and deploy all of them seamlessly on a single platform. Kranium is a comprehensive AI platform that supports the entire AI lifecycle from start to finish. With Kranium, you can import data from multiple sources in various formats, explore and prepare that data for AI modeling, and build, train, and fine-tune AI models, all without writing a single line of code. In addition to providing tools for building AI models, Kranium offers secure APIs that allow you to seamlessly integrate the AI capabilities you've created into your existing software systems or hardware devices. In addition, Kranium's team collaboration feature empowers your entire team to work together seamlessly on AI projects. With shared access to data, models, and insights, team members can collaborate in real time, streamline workflows, and accelerate AI development, all within a secure, centralized platform. Ultimately, Kranium delivers AI solutions at a fraction of the cost and time. Tasks that typically take weeks or even months can now be accomplished in just an afternoon with Kranium, empowering your organization to innovate faster and more efficiently than ever before. Kranium is designed for multifaceted AI usage. Whether you want to build your own AI, leverage ready-built AI through our AI applications and model store, or have custom AI applications crafted specifically for your needs, Kranium has you covered. With these three powerful facets, we're confident we can address virtually any AI requirement your organization may have. Let's talk about the Build Your Own AI capabilities on Kranium. Kranium is a complete AI platform that supports the entire AI lifecycle from start to finish. With Kranium, you can import data from multiple sources in various formats, explore and prepare that data for AI modeling, build AI models, train and fine-tune them, deploy models into production environments, and manage everything in one central platform. Let's see how it works. I am now on the login page of the Kranium console. You can onboard multiple team members from different departments, each with different roles, onto Kranium. Everyone can access the platform by signing into the console. I will now log in with my user credentials. Once you successfully log in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Depending on the roles and permissions assigned to your account, you'll see different widgets on this dashboard. These widgets help track and monitor various aspects of the platform, including your AI models, datasets, applications, resource utilization, and more. You can also easily access help and documentation through the widgets on this screen. Let's get started with the AI model building process. I'll begin by clicking on Datasets from the main menu on the left. Welcome to the Datasets module. This section helps you manage all your datasets in one central place. Whether you're working with tabular data for machine learning, text data for natural language processing, or images and videos for computer vision, Kranium allows you to easily import, organize, and access various types of datasets to streamline your AI model development. You can import a new dataset into Kranium by clicking the Create New button on this page. Let's go ahead and import a new dataset now. Clicking on the button opens a new pop-up that helps me import a new dataset. First, I need to choose the type of dataset I'm importing. You can select from the available options depending on the type of AI model you want to build. For this demo, I'll be importing a tabular dataset for machine learning, so I'll choose the first option. Now I'll click on Next. First, I need to give my dataset a name. I'll name it Bank Customer Selection for Marketing, as I'm uploading a dataset that contains details about a cold calling campaign for a bank. Now I need to choose where I want to import my dataset from. You have multiple options to choose from. You can import tabular data for ML from a file, URL, database, FTP location, and more. Since I have a CSV file with my data, I'll select the File Upload option. I'll now click on Next. Now I can upload my file by either dragging and dropping it into this window or using the Browse option to select my file. I'll go ahead and upload my file now. My CSV uses commas as the delimiter and contains a header row, so I'll leave the default options as they are. I'll click on Next now. I do not want auto-synchronization, so I'll disable that option. I'll leave all the other settings at their default. I'll go ahead and click Finish to complete the import. The dataset import will now begin. Depending on the size of your file, it may take some time. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a confirmation and your new dataset listed in the Datasets section. I'll now click on a machine learning dataset to show you how you can obtain more detailed information about your dataset and unlock valuable insights from your data. I'll select the Bank Customer Selection for Marketing dataset. Let's now take a look at the Basic Information tab in the Dataset Details view. Here you'll find a range of widgets that provide a quick overview of your dataset. These include key attributes and various plots that give you a clear snapshot of the dataset's structure and contents, helping you gain valuable insights at a glance. What's great is that all this information is automatically generated by Kranium, saving you time and effort in data exploration. Let's move to the Data Preview tab next, where we can take a closer look at the contents of the dataset. Now let's take a look at the Data Preview tab. Here you can view a snapshot of the actual data within your dataset, allowing you to better understand its structure and contents before you start working with it. You can now see all the different attributes and their corresponding values within your dataset, displayed in a clear and organized tabular format. You can easily sort the table by any of the columns and even choose which fields you want to display or hide, giving you more control over the data you're working with. You can also dive deeper into individual variables by using the Variable Analysis feature, allowing you to analyze each attribute in more detail for better insights. Let's add a couple of attributes to the Variable Analysis section to see how this works and get a more detailed understanding of the data. As you can see, depending on the type of data, Kranium presents a detailed analysis. This feature can be incredibly helpful in gaining a better understanding of your dataset and uncovering valuable patterns. Let's move on to the Data Visualization tab next, where you can visualize your dataset using various charts. This feature helps you gain deeper insights, identify patterns, and make data-driven decisions more effectively. Kranium offers multiple types of visualizations to choose from, including basic two-dimensional charts, distribution charts, three-dimensional charts, multi-dimensional charts, map-based charts, business charts, and polar charts. These options help uncover valuable insights from your data, allowing you to explore and represent your data in the way that best suits your needs and objectives. Let's visualize some of the attributes in this dataset using a scatter plot. This will allow us to observe the relationships between different variables and gain a better understanding of how they interact with each other. Let's compare how the age of a customer correlates with the duration of calls they had. This can help us identify if there is any pattern or relationship between the customer's age and the length of their interaction. I will click on Visualize to generate the visualization now. Within a couple of seconds, Kranium has generated a scatter plot of my data. I can now clearly see that customers under 25 and over 60 years of age have had relatively shorter calls. This is an interactive chart where I can zoom into a particular section for a more detailed view. Additionally, I also have options on the top right to perform various actions, including exporting the chart. You can use any of the other charts available to visualize different aspects of your data, allowing you to gain a deeper understanding and make informed decisions based on various perspectives. Let's move on to the Data Preparation tab, which presents an integrated and powerful data preparation notebook. This feature combines the power of feature engineering with data science notebooks, allowing you to craft data features, code solutions, and unlock the full potential of your datasets. You can choose from different environments to work with using the environment selector. This gives you the flexibility to switch between various tools and configurations based on your specific needs for the task at hand. Just below, you can see the result of Kranium's data quality check on this dataset. The platform helps identify any quality issues that could negatively impact the performance of the AI models you build using this dataset, ensuring that your data is ready for optimal use. Coming back to the data preparation notebook, this interface allows you to code your way to insights and unlock the full potential of your dataset. Each cell in the notebook is designed to help you write code for specific tasks, making it easy to apply custom data processing and transformation techniques. You can add any number of cells to the notebook, giving you the flexibility to tailor your workflow as needed. Cells in the notebook can be easily rearranged as needed, giving you complete control over your workflow. Once created, all the cells will remain saved, ensuring your progress is stored and accessible for future use. Although these cells are for coding, you'll need to write minimal code thanks to Kranium's built-in coding assistance features. The platform provides helpful suggestions and auto-completion, making the coding process much simpler and more efficient. Kranium also offers ready-built coding templates and assistance for data cleansing, allowing you to cleanse your data with just a few clicks. This makes the process fast and easy, ensuring your data is ready for AI modeling without the hassle of manual cleanup. In addition, Kranium provides ready-built code templates for data exploration, data wrangling, data visualization, and data preparation. These templates can be added to your notebook with the click of a button, saving you time and effort. This allows you to quickly and efficiently prepare your data for AI modeling, without needing to write complex code from scratch. Once code cells are inserted into the notebook, you can easily execute them by clicking on the play button. The results will be displayed directly within the platform, providing immediate feedback so you can quickly test and refine your code. Your code cells can even generate and display charts instantly when you execute them. This allows you to visualize the results of your data processing or analysis in real time. You also have the option to run all cells at the same time using the Run All option. This allows you to execute the entire notebook in one go. You can also enable or disable cells to control which ones are executed. Any cells that cause modifications to the content or structure of your dataset can be previewed first. If you're happy with the preview, you can directly save all changes to the dataset by using the Run and Save button. You can always view any changes made to the dataset from the Data Preview tab, allowing you to easily monitor and verify updates as you work. All the options we just discussed are specifically tailored for machine learning datasets. The available options will vary depending on the type of dataset you're working with. Let me navigate back to the list of all my datasets and show you an example of a dataset of a different type. I'll now open the Brain Tumor Diagnosis dataset, which is designed for computer vision applications. This dataset consists of brain MRI images and can be used to build a computer vision model. Such a model can assist medical practitioners in diagnosing brain tumors from MRI scans. As you can see, the options on this interface are different from those available for an ML dataset. Let me show you another example, this time of an object detection dataset from my list. I'll go back and select the Worker Safety Monitoring dataset. The dataset consists of images of workers at construction sites wearing helmets and safety gear. It can be used to build a computer vision model that learns from the data and helps automate the monitoring of worker safety in workplaces. Since this is an object detection dataset, Kranium provides access to the Image Annotation tool, which helps annotate and prepare the images for building an object detection model. There's no need to use any external tools for this. As you can see, Kranium makes it incredibly easy to manage all your datasets for a variety of use cases. The Dataset module provides all the tools you need to load, transform, and prepare your datasets for AI modeling, regardless of the dataset type. And the best part? No coding is required, just a few simple clicks. Welcome to the AI Models module. This module is designed to help you view and manage all your AI models in one centralized location. No matter the type of model, you'll have full visibility and control right from this page. All the models you've created will be listed right here on this page. For each model, you can easily view important details such as the name, accuracy achieved, model type, the dataset used, the departments with access to the model, its current status, and quick access to various actions related to the model. Creating a new AI model is simple and straightforward. To get started, just click on the Create New Model button located at the top right of the page. On this screen, I can provide the basic details required to create the model. I'll name my model Customer Selection for Cold Calling, as this AI model will assist the marketing team at a bank in identifying customers most likely to respond positively to a cold calling campaign. I'll select the model type as machine learning, as this aligns with the requirements for this use case. For the method to build this model, I'll choose Build Your Own Model, since I want to build and train my own custom model. Alternatively, selecting Use Ready-Built Model would allow me to install one of the pre-built AI models available in the AI Model Store. I can now select the machine learning algorithm I want to use for my model. Kranium offers a wide range of popular ML algorithms to choose from. For this use case, I'll choose Random Forest Classifier, as it is well suited for solving classification problems like this one. I'll click on Next to proceed to the next step. In this step, I need to select a dataset to link to my model. I can either choose from one of my existing datasets or create a new one. Since I've already imported the data into Kranium, I'll select an existing dataset for this model. I'll now click on Next to proceed to the next step. I don't want to enable auto-training for this model, so I'll leave that option disabled. Next, I can select which departments will have access to this model. For this use case, I'll choose the marketing department. All right, we're all set to create our new AI model. Let's go ahead and click on Create to finalize the process. Kranium will automatically redirect you to the new AI model screen as soon as it is created. This is the detail page for the model, where you can track and manage everything related to this particular model. The AI Model tab presents details about this model. I can track everything from the accuracy of the model, to model architecture, to metrics, recent activity, and the timeline of accuracy on this page. I can also change the algorithm of the model at any time. Since I haven't trained my model yet, some of these widgets don't show data at the moment. Let's go ahead and train the model now by clicking on the Start Training button. Kranium automatically prepares the data, encodes it in the right format for machine learning, and trains the model with default parameters. All the heavy lifting is done by the platform, allowing you to train your model in just one click. The time taken for training can depend on various factors, including the type of model, the size of the dataset, servers, computing resources, and more. As you can see, the training for this model finished in just a few seconds. It has a pretty high accuracy, and the model metrics are now available. Let's now move on to the Data and Mapping tab. This tab provides a summary of the dataset linked to the AI model. It also allows you to select the features and the target attribute that will be used for training the model. These options give you full control over how the data is mapped to the AI model, ensuring it aligns with your specific requirements. For this model, I am predicting the value of Y, so I have selected Y as my target attribute. The remaining attributes are the inputs or features for the machine learning model, which is why I have selected all of them as features. You can also find additional settings related to the target field on this tab. Here you can select the target field, specify the type of classification, and configure other related settings. You can click on the green check button to save any changes made to the target variable. Keep in mind you'll need to train your model again from the AI Model tab after modifying the target variable settings or mapping. Also, on this tab, you can modify the train test split percentage for model training. This setting controls how much of your data is used for training and how much is reserved for testing. By default, 75% of your data is allocated for training, while 25% is used for testing. There are other widgets on this page that provide a detailed summary of the target variable, helping you better understand its distribution and characteristics. Finally, at the bottom of the page, you'll find the data balancing functions, which allow you to balance your dataset. An imbalanced dataset can negatively impact model performance. To address this, you can select one of the available data balancing algorithms and click on the Balance Data button. Once again, Kranium handles all the heavy lifting, balancing your dataset in just a few seconds. Let's move on to the Predictions tab. This is where you can test the model's inferences by predicting results based on new input data. It's important to note that your model must be trained for the prediction feature to work. I'll click on the Predict button now to generate the prediction. Predictions are very quick, and you can view the results in the output panel on the right. You can now generate explanations and counterfactuals for this prediction. A local prediction provides insights into the factors influencing a specific prediction, helping you understand why the model made a particular decision. Counterfactuals, on the other hand, show you how changing certain input features could have led to a different prediction, offering valuable insights for decision-making and model optimization. In addition to performing single predictions, you can also perform bulk predictions using the Bulk Prediction tab on the top left. This feature allows you to generate predictions for multiple records at once by uploading a file containing the input data. This is particularly useful when you need to process large volumes of data quickly, as Cranium will automatically apply the model to all entries in the file and provide the corresponding predictions in a matter of moments. Let's perform a bulk prediction now. I will upload a file containing multiple records to Cranium and then click on the Predict button. Cranium will process the file and generate predictions for all the entries. Once the prediction is complete, the results will be displayed on the output panel on right. Let's check the results. These are the inferences for multiple leads we just provided to the model. The model is predicting whether each customer is likely to respond positively to the cold calling campaign or not. This information is invaluable for the marketing team, as it allows them to focus on customers who are more likely to make a purchase, ultimately helping to increase sales and optimize their campaign efforts. All right, so it just took us a few minutes to build an AI model, train it with our dataset, and generate inferences using Cranium. The platform makes it incredibly easy to go from data to actionable insights in no time. The APIs tab in a model exposes details for the secure API endpoint that is dynamically created for each model you build. This API allows you to leverage the model's inferencing capabilities in external software systems or hardware devices. This way, you don't have to necessarily use Cranium's UI for inferencing, and your users can continue to use their existing software, now supercharged with AI. By hosting all your AI models on Cranium, you can integrate them seamlessly into other systems, enhancing workflows and driving automation. Right on top of this page, you will find the details for the API endpoint. This is a unique API endpoint created by Cranium for your model. Just below it, there's a secret key that you can pass to the developers of software systems who wish to integrate with this model. Additionally, you have the Regenerate key button, which allows you to revoke the existing key and create a new one if needed. The page also provides you with tools to test the API and access code samples, which can help accelerate development and make it easier for developers to integrate the model with external systems. This flexibility ensures that AI can be integrated into your workflows effortlessly, driving better outcomes across the board. The Model Pro Settings tab, located in the Settings section of a model, provides advanced users or AI developers with access to key hyperparameters of the model. These hyperparameters can be adjusted to fine-tune the performance of your AI model, enabling you to optimize its accuracy and efficiency. This level of control is especially beneficial for those who want to experiment with different settings to achieve the best possible results for their specific use case, ensuring the model delivers optimal performance. Let's next talk about the second facet, the ready-built AI capabilities on Cranium. Cranium has a built-in AI model store and app store, which offer ready-built AI models and applications respectively, to help you start using powerful AI solutions without the usual expense or delay. You can save hundreds of hours of development and preparation time with the ready-built AI capabilities. Let's first discuss the AI Model Store. Cranium offers a built-in AI model store, a growing collection of ready-built AI models tailored for various industry use cases. You can access the AI Model Store by clicking on the AI Model Store link on the left menu. These models can be deployed with just a single click, saving you hundreds, if not thousands, of hours that would otherwise be spent training a model from scratch. With the convenience of instant deployment, you can start leveraging advanced AI capabilities without the need for time-consuming training processes. If you scroll down on the page, you'll find various AI models listed and categorized by industry. This makes it easy for you to browse and select the model that best fits your specific use case. If you want to see more details about a model, simply click on the model card. This will take you to a page with in-depth information about that specific AI model. Here you can view key details including the model's description, technical specifications, and even explore a model gallery for a better understanding of its capabilities. This particular AI model is built to automate the monitoring of road conditions using advanced computer vision. It can be highly beneficial for government authorities. Let's go ahead and deploy this model. Deploying the model is super easy. Simply click on the Install Model button on this page. Give your model a name and choose the departments that should have access to this model. Click on the Install button, and Kranium will take care of the rest, setting up the model for you instantly. Once the installation is complete, you'll be redirected to the model page. The newly installed model will now be available in your list of models for easy management. The new model is pre-trained and ready to make predictions right away. Let's use this model to generate inferences now. We can do this by navigating to the Predictions tab. Since this is a computer vision model, it accepts an image, a video file, or even a video stream as input. For instance, you could connect a CCTV camera to Kranium for continuous AI-powered monitoring. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use a video file to generate inferences. I'll choose video as the input media type and select the input video file for inferencing using the Browse button on the right. I can now click on the Predict button to start the prediction process. It may take some time to complete, depending on the duration of the input video file. Once the video is uploaded, Kranium presents a video player for you to preview the file. You can play the video using the play button. As you can see, the input file shows a road in poor condition. Let's see if our pre-trained AI model we just installed can automatically identify issues with the road when presented with a random video like this. I can now see that the prediction is complete, and Kranium has presented a detailed summary of the issues identified with the road surface in the video. I can view the results in a tabular format by clicking on the View Summary button. Even better, I can view the output preview with the detailed markings by Kranium, highlighting the issues identified on the road surface. As mentioned in the earlier video for the ML model, you don't have to necessarily use Kranium's UI for inferencing. The APIs tab for this model exposes details for the secure API endpoint, which allows you to leverage the model's inferencing capabilities in external software systems or hardware devices. All right, so that's how easy and quick it is to deploy pre-trained AI models from the model store. Within moments, the model is deployed and available for use, saving you hundreds of hours on training and preparation. Kranium has a built-in AI app store, which consists of an ever-growing collection of ready-built AI apps to meet specific business needs. AI apps provide sophisticated functionality right out of the box and often combine capabilities from multiple AI models. You can save hundreds, if not thousands, of hours of development and preparation time with ready-built AI apps. You can access the AI App Store in Kranium by clicking on the AI App Store link on the left menu. If you scroll down on the page, you'll find multiple AI applications listed. Apps come pre-installed, and you can start using them right away. Let's now open one of the applications and see how it works. I'll click on the Image Tricks application to open it. Every app on Kranium has a tailored user interface. The Image Tricks app, for example, allows you to generate images using prompts and, as such, has an interface designed to match its purpose. I'll now generate a new image using this app. I'll provide the prompt to generate an image of McDonald's on the moon. I'll continue with the default generative AI model for now and click on Generate Image to start the image generation process. Let's see what the system comes up with. The process may take a little while, depending on the computing resources available on the server. All right, so this is how it would look if there were a McDonald's on the moon. Interesting. Image Tricks is just one of the many apps available on Kranium. You can access the other apps by simply navigating to them from the AI App Store screen. As with models on Kranium, you don't have to rely solely on Kranium's UI to use the capabilities of apps. The APIs tab for apps provide details about the secure API endpoint to integrate the app's capabilities into external software systems or hardware devices. And that wraps up our overview of the AI App Store on Kranium. With its ever-growing collection of ready-built AI applications, the App Store empowers businesses to leverage sophisticated AI solutions instantly, saving countless hours in development and preparation. Let's explore the third facet of Kranium, custom-built AI apps. While Kranium offers ready-built AI models and apps, we understand that your business might have unique requirements that demand tailored AI solutions. Whether you need AI consulting, data labeling, data analytics, or complete AI development services, Kranium has you covered. What sets Kranium apart from traditional AI consulting or development firms is its robust and scalable platform. This platform significantly accelerates the AI development process, delivering impactful results faster and more cost-effectively. With Cranium's custom development and consulting services, you can enjoy key benefits. Save over 40% in development costs compared to conventional AI projects. Reduce development time by more than 60%, ensuring a quicker time to market. Skip the need to hire expensive in-house resources, letting you focus on your core business while we handle the AI. Gain access to expert consulting to guide your journey, ensuring the solution meets your business objectives seamlessly. Cranium brings the expertise, tools, and speed to help you achieve your AI ambitions while saving time, money, and effort. It's not just a service, it's a smarter way to build custom AI solutions.